This 2023 Braxton Creek Bushwhacker 10 HD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Braxton Creek is 10 feet 0 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 2, spare tire kit, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, air conditioning, and 24 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Couples Coach. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Braxton Creek Bushwhacker 10 HD is 1,485 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.